World Cup kiss scandal. The president of the Spanish Football Federation quits. This is News Review from BBC Learning English. I'm Beth.
And I'm Phil. Make sure you watch to the end to learn the vocabulary that you need to talk about this story.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and try the quiz on our website. Now, the story.
Luis Rubiales, head of the Spanish Football Federation, has resigned. He caused controversy after grabbing and kissing footballer Jenni Hermoso without her consent after the World Cup final last month. His actions caused anger and a debate about sexism, especially as he refused to leave his job until now.
You've been looking at the headlines, Phil. What's the vocabulary?
We have fallout, a win, and in wake of.
This is News Review from BBC Learning English. Let's have a look at our first headline.
This is from ESPN. Spain Federation President Rubiales resigns amid kiss fallout.
So Luis Rubiales has resigned because of the kiss fallout, and fallout is the word that we're looking at here. Now, Phil, if I fall over or something falls, this is quite negative. Is there a connection here?
Well, fallout, it's a noun and it is negative. We use it to talk about the negative result of something bad. So here we had the kiss, which is something bad, and the fallout to it is the negative reaction to it.
Okay, now fallout often follows an adjective. It was kiss here in the headline, but we also often hear about political fallout or public fallout. And fallout is also followed by over quite often. So you might see a headline that says fallout over political scandal.
Yes, and you could also fall out with someone, and that is a phrasal verb, and it means to have an argument or a disagreement with someone.
Yeah, now don't fall out with me, Phil, but I need to talk to you about something later. Okay, let's look at that again.
Okay, I'm worried now.
Let's have our next headline.
This is from BBC News. Luis Rubiales' resignation a win for Spain's women's team.
So this headline describes the resignation as a win. Now, Phil, I can win a card game or win a match, but that's a verb. This is a noun. What is a win?
Okay, well, a win is a positive result, a victory, but not just in a sporting sense. This was a positive result for the Spanish women's football team, but not on the pitch. It wasn't a sporting victory, which of course means this was quite a clever headline.
Exactly, yeah, there's a double meaning here. So, of course, the Spanish team won the World Cup, but Rubiales resigning is seen as a win against sexism. So that is 2 wins. Phil, have you had any wins recently?
Well, I did get a parking ticket the other week, which was really unfair. I wrote to the council and they cancelled it, which was a win for me.
Yeah, that sounds really good. That is definitely a win. Okay, let's look at that again. Next headline, please.
This is from the Financial Times. Luis Rubiales resigns as Spanish football chief in wake of World Cup kiss.
Now, the language we're going to talk about is in wake of. Now, normally this is in the wake of, but we often remove the in headlines. Phil, can you explain what this is?
Okay, so if something happens in the wake of something else, it happens after and usually because of that something.
Right, so here in this headline, it's saying that the football chief resigned after the World Cup kiss and because of the World Cup kiss.
Exactly. Now, it's quite formal and it's often used in headlines. You might see something like security tightened in wake of World Cup final.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, let's look at that again. We've had fallout, a negative result.
A win, a successful result.
In wake of, because of something recent.
Next, watch this 6-minute English about being unhappy at work.
And don't forget to click here to subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. Thanks for joining us. Bye.
Bye.